Alright, so we just saw him and he's right out front and talking to his employees, so let's see what that's about. Jabril? Are you alright? You want to have a conversation, or? Yeah, you know what this is about. Okay, well then why do you want to talk outside? You know exactly what this is about. Okay, that's what I thought. So... Why are you running? You want us to call the cops here?
No, you don't. Give me 1 second.
Okay, see, we can call the cops here. If you want to stay in here for more, then we're going to give you 2 minutes. All right? Because
yeah.
you could delete everything on your phone. We know what you've been doing, Jabril.
Okay.
Do not sit here and play around.
Okay.
We'll give you 2 minutes.
Okay,
all right?
yes, okay.
And if you want to delete evidence, that's another.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I promise.
You have 2 minutes.
Sarah, can you please?
You're saying someone to meet him.
Do you think he can just hide out forever? Alright, so are we going outside or where are we going? Because we can have this conversation anyway.
No, we can talk outside.
Okay. So who are you calling over? Okay.
Can you? Yes.
Alright, so have you or have you not been talking to a 14-year-old little boy online?
I have.
Okay. And so, why?
To meet up and smoke.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, so where did you meet this little boy at?
Grinder.
Okay, and who reached out to who first?
He reached out to me first. No, I reached out to him.
Okay. So we do have everything.
I know.
Okay, so I want to get that
that's fine.
across first. Whether or not anything. So what's appropriate about meeting up with a 14-year-old boy when you're how old?
22.
Okay. When you're 22-year-old, you're a grown man.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Meeting up with a 14-year-old little boy online, but not only that, but to then smoke weed with him. What about that's okay?
It's not
Like
okay.
bare bones. What about?
It's not okay.
So why did you do it? What possessed you to do something like that?
Because I was just really bored.
So when you're bored, you become a child predator? You are a child predator, okay? Because regardless of whether, we do have everything, so we'll get to that.
Okay.
But regardless, bare bones, you want to meet up with children online to smoke weed at 12 in the morning, actually 1 in the morning. I mean, you've been wanting to do this every night at 1 in the morning.
I mean, because I get off at midnight.
Okay, well, then it was also said that, okay, meet during the day, but it was always an issue for you to meet with him during the day. It's almost like you had something planned.
No, I didn't have anything. It's because I literally
1 in the morning?
I don't get off work until 12:30.
Okay. But you could do it in the daytime, in the morning before work, but it's just adamant, like every single night, 1 in the morning.
Like I said, I don't wake up till 12:30. You've seen the messages.
I have seen the messages, and I'm trying to get an idea of what exactly is going on here, because meeting 14-year-olds, period, but 14-year-olds at 1 in the morning, specifically, every night, blowing up his phone. Did you or did you not do that?
I mean, I did.
Multiple messages?
Yeah.
So why at that point, when he stopped replying, wouldn't you just say, okay?
Yeah, let me just stop. I don't know, because I was really just trying to meet up, you know, have friends.
So there's a grown adults though.
I mean, that's
18 and up.
I mean, yeah.
There's many people on Grindr. Why? It's not okay.
I know it's not
It's
okay.
really not. And so I'm gonna go over some of these messages here.
You don't really have to, but
I really do have to.
I mean, I'm.
Well, you can call the cops.
No, we're not going to.
You can call the police.
We're not
Because
gonna-
this man's here. This man has explicit text messages of many things, including soliciting child porn. So go ahead and call the cops, man. I'm not sure why you're defending pedophiles here. And I don't know what you're telling her. She can read the messages. I'll show her.
I can show her the messages.
Okay, go ahead. I mean, if you want to get ahead of me, I'm pulling them out now. Oh, but how about the one you put on vanish mode? So that we screenshotted all that too. So
mean,
that's
I
still
know.
there. That's not gone.
I mean, I know.
Okay.
I can. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Do you have children? Wow, this is not a good look, man. It's really not a good look. And I get that, you know, you might not have had anything to do with this, and, you know, this might be news to you right now, but I'm telling you right now, this individual's been talking to a 14-year-old little boy and saying explicit things, and you seem to not care at all, so. All right, do you want to go over these or not?
I mean, we can.
Okay, so why are you following her? Is this your mother?
No, that's
Okay,
not my mother.
so
but
then you're an adult.
I know.
Do you want to take care of this like a man?
Yeah.
You want to take care of this like a man?
Yeah.
Okay, so she doesn't want it. She's on the phone with whoever she needs to be on the phone
And I
with.
understand that, but I need her here.
I mean, we can walk wherever.
That's fine.
So. So smoking weed with a child, that's one thing, but let's see what else we have here. Okay. Picking up a child, taking them in your car. If your parents don't care, stay over tonight and let's get high as fuck. So having kids sleep over at your house.
I mean, what are you really gonna do tonight?
You can't hear me.
Yeah, that's not right. You're right.
It's not right. Having children sleep over at your house, that's disgusting. What it is. Okay, push everything that's up on me. So, tell them you're at a friend's or they're going to take you to school. And that they're going to take you to school. So you wanted him to tell his parents that he's at a friend's house and then you would take him to school the next day. Okay, I don't think she wants anything to do with you.
I mean, yes.
Okay, so you're a grown ass man. So do you wanna face this like an adult or do you wanna follow her like a little child? Okay, you're not 14. Alright, you're a grown man.
What's going on? Let me, Phil.
He's calling Aaron. What's Aaron gonna do? Is Aaron the police? So let's see. So what's show me what you're working with a devil emoji.
I mean, you know what it means.
I don't. I mean, I could assume, but from your mouth. What does that mean?
Like Bowen.
Oh?
We were talking about, you know.
Oh no, you weren't talking about that. Show me what you're working with a devil emoji. He says, like my dick, question mark, or my body? Then you said, replied, yeah, you said sure. So you wanted to see his dick?
I mean, it wasn't like a yes or no question. I didn't say yes or
You
no.
said sure.
Sure.
So yes, sure, you wanted to see his dick. I mean, it's a yes or no question. Yes or no?
No.
No? All of this is right here. Show me what you're working with. Like my dick? You say sure, LOL. Did you or did you not say that?
I did say that,
So you wanted to see a 14-year-old
but
dick?
no, I did not.
I mean, you want to be honest here? Because this could go one of two ways. We could just call the police. As you can see, we're not calling the police.
Yeah,
Do
you're
you
right.
wanna hear from me? This is a
I'm asking your question.
This is a mediation.
But I'm at work right now.
What exactly does that have to do with it? Work? Okay, I don't know who you are, and I don't need to identify myself to you. Are you the police?
Okay, so she won't identify themselves.
So, back to this. We can, if you want to call the police, we can identify ourselves as the police, but you're a Walmart employee. So, like my dick, and then you say sure. It's like I said, we're trying to mediate this.
Yeah, I know.
Like, you know what I'm saying? If she's the one who's calling the cops on you, I don't know who she's calling. We're here with text messages and a camera. This could go, you know what I'm saying?
It could go either way. I know.
So, why? Why would you say something like that to a 14-year-old boy?
I don't know.
You don't. Something provoked you to say that. You were what?
Really bored.
You were really bored.
Yeah, and I was really just trying
What does that have to do with the 14-year-old's dick?
I mean, you're right.
What does being bored have to do with that? So it's about honesty and accountability. So you did.
No, I
did. You
did.
can come back from it.
No, I know.
But it's like if you want to, like, you know, when friends and family find out about this, it's just like it's about honesty.
Yeah,
it's about
it's about
redemption. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
so
I
it's
get
like you wanted to.
I mean-
You said sure.
Yeah, sure, but I didn't, you know.
You said sure. You didn't. You,
I know,
you did
I know. I did say sure.
So if everything, you know, like you wanted to see, is it? Yes or no?
I mean,
Okay, so it's about accountability
Yeah.
here, and you know I can get through these text messages, and I usually don't send stuff like that. I usually don't send stuff like that. LOL, more of an in-person kind of guy. You say one-time view. Like you kept. He said I don't
Yeah, I
really
know.
send stuff like that, and you kept going.
And I kept going. I know.
You kept going. You could have ended it there.
Yeah, I could have.
One-time view. And, you know, then he stopped responding. He said, all right, man, I guess I'll let you go to sleep, LOL. Gonna smoke, watch porn, and maybe tap. Why do you need to tell a 14-year-old you're watching porn?
You're right.
It's just a lot here to
I know.
unpack. I mean...
I know it's a lot there. And I really do apologize for my actions. I know I can't really come back from this. It is what it is.
Yeah, it really is.
And I take full accountability.
So, you know, you said that you lived with a roommate, and you said you were bragging to your roommate about a 14-year-old?
No, I wasn't bragging to my roommate. I didn't say roommate. I said gay friend.
Oh, I didn't see gay friend, whatever
Yeah.
the case is. So they know about that you're talking to a 14-year-old?
No, I just was meeting with somebody.
Oh. What would they think?
Why would you do this?
Huh?
Why would you do this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's just not
I know,
right.
I know.
You know, we catch like old creeps and stuff
Yeah.
like that, and like either way, 22, 14, that's
Yeah.
absolutely disgusting. That's why
Yeah.
we're here.
Yeah, I get that.
But this can stop here, and
Yeah,
you can
I know.
learn your lesson here.
I
Because
learned it.
seriously, like
It's very
there's
serious.
yeah, and then
I
there's
know.
people who grow up and then they become older and then they molest children and they do all that, kidnap, and that's what you were trying to do
Yeah, I get that.
as a 22-year-old man. I'm not saying one is. I'm just saying
Yeah.
it's like this is a serious learning
Yeah, it
experience,
is. It's a very
and
serious learning experience.
kids can't give consent. You understand?
Yeah, I know. I get that.
And that's why you were worried. You kept saying, your age,
Yeah.
you know why I can't, because you were trying to beat around the bush about things and not say things, and you would say your age. So you were aware that what you were doing was wrong.
Yeah.
You knew. You knew. It's sad,
Yeah,
you
it's
know?
very sad.
At any moment you could have blocked this kid.
I could have.
see what else we have.
Okay. All right. I have to call the police.
Why?
Because unless they're gonna leave the property, which they're probably not, I have to call the police. I have no idea. No, no. Oh, yeah.
It's fine. It's fine. Is there any more questions? I really have to go back to work.
Okay, if you want to go back to work, we're not holding you. We're not
Okay.
law enforcement.
Okay.
But, you know,
I know. I just want to answer all your questions and we can get back.
I mean, this
my
was
job.
days.
I know.
So,
I know it was days. You want to link back at another time?
Link up another time. This isn't. No, we need to. Your job really isn't a priority. Are you worried about getting paid? How would you get paid in prison?
I know, but you're in the party. Hello. Hello.
So many types
Yes,
of
I need two people off this property right now. 920 Overton Road. Largo. 920 Overton Road. Yes.
Is that it?
All right. Hi, my name is Sarah Blaney, calling from the Largo Florida Market. I have two people I want off the property wearing all black, female.
And there's a man here trying to meet a child for sex.
The one from Largo and Overton and Starkey.
We're not calling the cops here. It's your associate.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yep. It's a male and female. They're wearing all black. The female has a hat on that says PTI on it.
And there's a man here to have sex with children. So please get
on the
police
side
out here. There's a pedophile here trying to have sex with children.
On the side of the pharmacy.
I'm gonna leave that part out.
Yes.
Do you really want to be a pedo sympathizer, man? Can I say that again? Alright, so we can make a scene if y'all want to go inside.
No, we don't. No, it's not a scene.
Okay. Well, we're walking inside, so.
Okay, well, they're following me now, so.
I'm going in a public place. Thank you.
I'm going inside my building.
Not your building.
They're, if you're going inside, then go inside. Don't stand in front of me.
Oh, well, you're not the problem here. Well, you kind of are, but. So, do you want to keep going over these messages, or?
No,
I mean, this
it's fine.
person is separate from you, so I don't know why you're following her.
No, I know.
So you told him to snap you because you were jacking off?
No,
Oh, I'm fine. Alright. Is someone here to meet a child for sex?
Get in the car.
Yep.
So, why would you say something like that? Oh, he's leaving. Why are we following you? I mean, we can make a scene.
Yeah.
You haven't seen a scene, honestly. It's just that the community doesn't like child predators. What do you think? She has two babies right there. What would she think? This man's here to have sex with a child. He's trying to have sex with children. Disgusting. I don't even think they know what's
They don't know what's
They're
up.
like Spanish.
He like wish he had someone on his side.
What's wrong with me? Why are you meeting little kids? Huh? I don't think Walmart's gonna like this. I don't know who she is, but we'll get in contact with corporate. Your associate's trying to meet 14-year-old boys for sex. It's really disgusting. Protect the innocent. That's our name. You can look us up. And we expose pedophiles like this all the time. I'm talking to her, but yeah. No, we have so we do this all over, actually.
Do you?
Yeah.
Are you serious? Though?
Yeah. So he was trying to get pictures of the little boy's private parts. He all talking dirty, everything. He was trying to like lure him out of the house at like 1 a.m. Yeah, but that's us. So we do this all over Florida. Yeah, and she's defending him. I'm not sure why.
Well, the thing is right now it's causing a lot of drama within the store.
Right.
Everybody saw what was going on, and they're all just coming up to me because right now it's
Let them know and share the channel, honestly. And it's like if they want to support a pedophile, I mean that's up to them. But they have the right to know what's going on, honestly. Yeah, it's really sad.
No, but we just don't want to cause any more drama within the store.
Right, that's why we came out here. Yeah, we're not trying to cause drama necessarily, but we just want the community to be aware of like child predator, you know. But yeah, be safe, you know. I'm not sure he'll be working here for much longer. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, stay safe. You too. All right, so we're back at the Walmart where we caught Jabril, and basically we're here to submit evidence for the police. We actually left because Jabril left, and we actually submitted evidence from a previous case, and they're still working on it. And the guy didn't end up getting arrested, so we still haven't heard back from the police department here. So we assumed that maybe possibly they didn't want to work with us. We're not quite sure, but we're here. We're going to submit the evidence for Jabril. So let's see how this goes.
That's the way I took it. Unfortunately, I wasn't here for the earlier conversation.
Yeah, so we're just wondering, you know, we have some counties that don't, and it's like, I don't want to say it's okay, but you know, it's like, I would rather know now whether it's, I don't want to, you know, if you guys aren't going to do anything to like call, well, we didn't call this time, but like, necessarily like waste resources, I guess, if you guys aren't going to, so we're just wondering where you guys are coming from.
On these cases, we take all the information, forward it to our detective division. We usually seize the suspect's telephone so we can search it and download it. And we take whatever you guys have that got him here, we put it all together, and see if there's enough for the state to make a charge out of it.
Okay.
So we're down with trying to lock people up just like you are.
Okay.
So
Perfect.
it's
Yeah.
Definitely not like we're telling people don't do that. Have a nice day.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
We will take whatever you have.
Okay.
I can't promise you all of it will be admissible in a court of law.
Right.
But I'd rather be looking at information than looking for it. All right. Well, like I said, unfortunately, you're trespassing here. So let's come back here, or unfortunately, we'll pick it down. Bad luck. All right.
All right. Thank you guys so much.
Thank you.